How are you doing?
I'm good.
While we wait for Ritesh to join us, I thought let me ask you some questions. हमने अब तक ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेलर नहीं देखा है, ओके लेकिन अगर हमने पोस्टर देखा है तो एक चीज़ हम सबको नज़र भी आ गई और हमने छीन भी लिया हक से, और वो है ये लॉलीपॉप। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि इसका युद्रा के साथ क्या कनेक्शन है सर?
सर को सिगरेट पीते हुए एकदम ब्रूडिंग करते हुए देखा है।
हाँ,
सो ये वो गैंगस्टर है जो लॉलीपॉप खाता है
क्या
और ही इज हाई ऑन शुगर एंड ही इज
oh, ho, 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 ho.
yeah.
That's a first, to be honest. I must congratulate you on the last time we saw your remarkable work, and that was with the movie called Mom.
Thank
So थोड़ा सा लेट है लेकिन आज हम मिले हैं तो मुझे round of applause सीटियाँ होनी चाहिए.
Thank you guys.
Yes, thank you so much. Let's talk about Yudra. What can you tell us right now, Ravi sir?
So when Farhan and Sridhar narrated the story, and I knew then it had something which had very Shakespearean, Hamlet sort of a thing inbuilt in it. So it's a classic revenge, tragic tragedy story. So I thought it's the best skeleton that they worked on as a design. And it is about this kid who can't control his anger and the rage and what it does to him.
Wonderful.
That's
Thank
it.
you so much for giving us a sneak peek. Before, of course, I call on your collaborator on the stage, I do want to ask you, पहले आप तारीफ करेंगे इनकी, फिर वो आएंगे stage पर. मुझे बताइए, what does a collaboration with Excel Entertainment mean to you, and what has that experience been like?
Oh, Excel for me, like I've known Ritesh and Farhan for long. While I was doing my commercial, I had met them. And I really love the kind of films they've been doing. Dil Chahta being one of my favorite film, yeah. And they make really beautiful movies, great characters, and a new age film. So a director like me, collaborating with them, it's like dream come true for me.
How lovely. Now that you've said the loveliest things ever, it's going to be making my job really easy. Ritesh, thank you so much for joining us today. Put your hands together and get those CTs going for Ritesh Sidhwani, please. Thank you. On cue, how are you doing?
Very good. Good evening.
Thank you so much for joining me, Ritesh. First of all, I must say that it's such an intriguing title. I do want to congratulate you on what a year 2024 has been. You've kept us on our toes as audiences. We're the same audience that died laughing in the theaters thanks to Madgaon Express. We're the same audience that had a crazy time with the characters coming back in Mirzapur 3. The same audiences who wept alongside Javed Saab with Angry Young Men very recently. So let's just talk about this year for Excel.
I'm just grateful and feels great that it's been a wonderful year. I know that everybody's, keeps talking about our industry going through this phase and all that, but I think, like, if you have good content, which speaks for itself, people come out and, endorse it, absorb it, take a little bit from that, whether it's a docu-series. It's been overwhelming, the response we've seen. We were not even expecting it. But I think it's, though it's about two film writers, but there is some kind of inspirational, aspirational part to their journey which has connected with people who've got nothing to do with anything to do with even writing or behind the camera, but they've some way or the other they've related to a part of their existing life through that story. So I think that's been there. Madgaon again has been a different journey. It just tells you to come in, enjoy a kind of a community viewing, have fun with your friends, and it's a certain way of these three guys who always wanted to, these four guys who always wanted to go to Goa, and somewhere I think what Kunal did is it reminded him to give a kind of an homage to Dil Chahta Hai, so that's where it went. So I think it's been great. And Mirzapur, of course.
Of course, and let's talk about Yudra now. I must talk to you, but see, we haven't watched the trailer yet, right? And that's why we're all here. But
I'm glad it's not leaked online as yet.
Oh my God, really? Because there was a wait for it, right? So I do want to ask you, what can we expect, and what does it do to Excel and the storytelling that you'd like to take forward with a title like Yudra?
I think we are storytellers. We are here to make content as long as it's engaging, entertaining, and it brings people together in a room like this. So I think that's what Yudra does. After a long time, you have this crazy action film, which is an underdog story. It's got a very, very strong personal emotion attached to it. So I think it's tick marking all those boxes which you see in a popcorn commercial fun film. I don't know what you'll take away from it because each one will have a different thing. But it talks about this individual story. It talks about his ethos, the way he looks at life, and how that arc completes through his journey. It is obviously completely fictional, but the story is very, very, it is resonates because there's a personal story in it. You know what I mean? In terms of how he makes it his personal story. So there is an identification which will happen to it on a different level. So hopefully, I think, like I said, it'll be a fun, entertaining watch in cinemas.
Well, thank you so much for giving us a little bit of a hint of what that's going to be like. And both of you gentlemen, thank you for starting off the evening with me. We're going to step aside just a little bit. Absolutely love it. Now that is what I call an entry, my friend. Congratulations. You know, I felt so good just in that introduction was everything. And can I please say you completely deserve it. For a lot of us who've seen Siddhant's journey, I think today's a very special day for him. Ab seetiyan honi chahiye, dosto. Yeah. That's for you, my friend. That's for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we don't know anything. We haven't watched the trailer yet, but there are these leaked, and when I say leaked, I want to see Ritesh's expression, leaked reports that, bhai, you've been doing some crazy training. You've been doing some MMA, some kickboxing, some, what is it called? Jiu-jitsu? Jiu-jitsu?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Are these rumors true? And does a Yudhra need all of these in his artillery?
Firstly, thank you so much for such a powerful introduction. Thank you so much for all the cheers, and I'm so sorry for you guys who were waiting since a long time. But I'm very sure जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. And back to the question. Well, for me, I'm constantly evolving as an actor, and I love films where I get to learn skills. You know, for Gully Boy, I was rapping. For Kho Gaye, I learned stand-up comedy. For Gehraiyan, I learned
Drowning.
intimacy.
Oh yeah, I remember that intimacy coach, yeah?
And I think for this one, it was a prerequisite. It's an action film, such a big film, so I had to just, go for it. And I have a little bit of background of martial arts, and I always wanted to showcase. I still remember the first time when I went to Ritesh sir after Gully Boy, and this was actually the first film I signed after Gully Boy. It obviously took a long time because it's a big one. Thank you Farhan sir and Ritesh sir to actually, showing that faith to mount such a big film on a newcomer. I would say that this was the first film, and I went up to him and I was like, he's like, what do you want to do? I was like, I want to do action. And I had my show reels of, the action stuff which I was learning through my struggling days on Juhu Beach and, doing my martial arts with my coach. So I had a cut reel of that, and I sent it to Ritesh sir. And I said, sir, please, can I do an action film? And luckily that time, I think Farhan sir and Sridhar sir were, coming up with this, this magnum opus story, and Ravi sir was on board. We jammed, and it just came to life. So yeah,
thanks,
I'm really
Ritesh.
excited.
I'm going to send you reels of me running on Juhu Beach next, okay? If that's the way to get this is an amazing.
I was not
story.
running on the Juhu Beach.
No,
I was doing
that's
flips.
what I can do, yeah. So this is meant to be like, we're all fielding for ourselves here. Also, it's a great story. I mean, your story is truly inspiring. I do want to ask you, it's very interesting. It's not Rudra, it's Yudhra.
It's Yudhra,
and it's such a beautiful name. Could you tell us anything at all before we watch the trailer about what this word means, or what does Yudhra mean?
Well, it's the name of the guy, firstly. And जैसा कि आप लोग आजकल देख रहे हैं कि अलग-अलग किस्म के नाम आ रहे हैं, कुछ नए नाम आ रहे हैं बच्चों के. तो इसका मैं इन डेप्थ मीनिंग तो मैं आप लोग के ऊपर छोड़ूंगा जब आप लोग ट्रेलर देखेंगे. लेकिन बस ये एक नाम है, बहुत पावरफुल है. It's got a significance, but I will leave it up to the trailer for you guys to understand what it is about.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions very kindly and patiently. But for right now, of course, we're going to have to welcome Yudhra ki Nikhat, because that is going to be the flame that fuels Yudhra's fire. Please join me in welcoming the gorgeous talent. Well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो.
ज़्यादा सीखे
शुक्रिया.
हमारा कोई.
There he's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malvika, let me get you up to speed. You know, until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet, okay? So we can't spill any beans because we're going to watch the trailer after one more of our cast members joins us. But before we go there, I want to ask you, tell us something, yeah. Tell us something. We've only seen this poster. There's a lot of blood. There's lollipops. And for some reason, it looks like this man's been up to no good. So please tell us what you can.
Firstly, a very good evening to everyone. So I'll tell you what went on in my head. We shot this film for a while because it's this massive film. We shot all over the place. And when I saw some shots, when I saw a few things recently, a few months back, my first thought was, it's so stylish and it's so slick. And it's something that I, as an audience, haven't seen in a very long time. You know, so it excited me as an audience, not even as a part of the film. So I hope it has the same effect on everyone else watching it. And about Yudra, I think, he's done some pretty intense and cool stuff in the film. I mean, you'll see it very, very soon. But I can't wait for the world to watch all the magic he's created.
You know, you talked about style, but there's style's nothing without substance, right? And substance, I can tell you, again, I'm just reacting with those posters. How do you guys give me such sizzling chemistry on a poster? God damn it! Like, stop it! Like, what is there a secret to that?
You want to take that answer? मैं जो बोलूँगा गलत होगा.
You know where?
I think it's Ravi sir's magic.
Ravi sir,
yeah.
you are the chemist on this chemistry.
Yes,
Nice.
That's true, though. That's a perfect word.
Nice. So, or rather, the alchemist, I would say. So, I know. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for totally not answering that question is completely fine. At this point, of course, thank you, Malvika, for joining us, and please stay on the stage. Because up next, of course, I'd like to call talented performer Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause. Yeah. So let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त.
अच्छा.
अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं. तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दें इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं आपको क्या देखेंगे.
यार वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा.
अच्छा.
हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो.
सीधे देखो. है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार. बहुत ज़्यादा फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें. बहुत कश्मकश किए हैं हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ है मेरा इस फिल्म के दौरान बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो देखिए, बहुत मेहनत की है सबने, बहुत खून पसीना एक किया है. बहुत वक्त जब टीनेजर था तब शुरू की थी फिल्म. अब बड़ा हो गया हूँ. सो यस, देखिए अब बताइए.
I must acknowledge the wonderful year you've been having. Okay. बहुत डराया आपने मुझे. मैं ट्रेन में जाने से डरती हूँ किल के बाद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि अगर तुम आ जाओगे वहाँ पे तो मुझे डर लगेगा, right? Are you having fun scaring people? You're doing it again?
I'm doing it again. I think I'm not. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, actually. मतलब मजा है विलन में. एक फील है. हाँ, वो तो इसलिए.
You know, the reason why this is so much fun is because I have watched this trailer. It is so fantastic, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. So, shall we actually show it to them?
Let's go.
All right, guys. So, we're going to step aside and give us a minute because ये नीचे आना होगा और आपको दिखाएंगे 2 बार, of course, without any breaks, the trailer of Yudra. राज अर्जुन साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप स्टेज पर आए. हमारे इस छोटे से, कहते हैं ना, राउंड टेबल लेकिन लाइन में है हम. उसकी शान बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू.
शुरू करते हैं. अब आपके हवाले वतन साथियों, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है. अगर सवाल हो तो माइक्स आपके पास आएंगे. प्लीज डायरेक्ट योर क्वेश्चन टू समबडी हियर एंड फिर वो आपके सवालों के जवाब देंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑफ कोर्स द फ्लोर इज ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चंस, स्टार्टिंग विथ यू लवली.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Zoom channel. So this question is to you. How much of anger you had to control while to went out, and let it go completely for the action thriller?
To control as in?
Control as in, because when you're doing the scenes and all, I'm sure you may be finding it difficult to be all out there, venting it out.
No, there's been a lot of anger anyway. So it was anyway suppressed, and I needed an outlet like that to kind of just go out and just be myself. So yeah, I mean that's all I can say about it.
The second question is to you, Raghav. It's a bloodbath again for you. Do you feel like, recollecting some fond memories from Kill to Yudra, or because, otherwise also?
It is just beetroot juice for me. Sauce, beetroot juice, all edible. तो इतना कुछ ऐसा लगता नहीं है, बट हाँ आजकल कुछ ऐसा मुझे, ये मैंने शूट बहुत पहले कर ली थी किल से, एंड दिस इज़ माय, ये बहुत दिल के करीब है ये फिल्म, क्योंकि बहुत समय दिया है मैंने इस कैरेक्टर को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, और चलो शारीरिक तकलीफ़ें तो हुई लेकिन मानसिक तकलीफ़ें भी बहुत हुई मुझे इस कैरेक्टर के लिए, बट हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्शन करने में आजकल, है ना, मज़ा आता है।
हाँ, but इतना ब्लड बात नहीं है उसमें, like what you're thinking, ये ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है, आपने you're feeling it's too much, but it's not that much.
It is very stylized way of, मतलब हमारा जो एक्शन है,
Poetic, that's the word.
it's very poetic, yes.
You make it brutal, but you make it poetic, so that, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
राघव, मेरा सवाल आपसे यहाँ पे ऑन द लेफ्ट थे।
आजी पाजी,
कैसे आप?
वजी बढ़िया।
अच्छा, किल में जैसा आपका एक रोल था, अभी यहाँ पे भी विलन बन रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है नेक्स्ट न्यू बैडी आप ही है। पहले आपके वीडियोस को देख के लोग एकदम खुश हो जाते थे, अब तो लगता होगा कि डरते होंगे। इज इट ट्रू?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है यार, मुझे मौका मिला है इतना बड़ा बनने का, मेरे को जो बनाना चाहे मेरे को, अगर वो खम्बा भी बनाता अपनी फिल्म में बन जाता। वो मौका मिला है मुझे विलन का, तो मैं विलन से ही कर रहा हूँ, हीरो का मिलेगा तो हीरो कर लेंगे, लेकिन क्या है मज़ा आता है विलन में, थोड़ा फील है। शाहरुख सर ने भी विलन से स्टार्ट किया था ना, तो ऐसे ही कुछ मुझे लग रहा है, क्या पता हो जाए।
मालविका, मेरा सवाल आपसे, हाय, कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम टू बॉम्बे, वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड।
Thank
So how
you.
was your experience while working, in such one of the biggest films, and working with such talents? And जहाँ तक देखा जाए, it's very much male-centric action, but I'm sure कि आपका role भी उतना ही, मतलब you also kicking some ass, I can expect.
I was waiting for the right project to work on. मेरा mentality हमेशा से ऐसा रहा है कि I've never believed in taking up work for the sake of it. It has to be something that calls out to you. It has to be a good team. So when Yudra came my way, I was like, everything from the makers to Ritesh, Farhan, to Ravi sir, I was like, this is fantastic. Plus it had Sid, and it was a genre I'd never done before. So it felt like the perfect film to, come to Bollywood with. My character is, she brings the soft part to the film. क्योंकि इतने मर्द है, इतनी एक्शन है, that she brings the tenderness, the much needed feminine energy, the softness, the cuteness to the film. So I think all of those scenes are.
But you want them to watch the film, and
I do have one scene where I'm not very soft. I think he's referring to that.
It's a long one. You kill a lot of bad guys. Yeah. Killing them softly, I would say.
So even I got one scene to take off, vent all my pent up anger in life. मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिला है. So
सिद्धार्थ भाई, so action फिल्में हम देखते बड़े होते हैं, सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन एंड आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर, कितनी सारी हमारे एक्शन हीरोज फेवरेट होते हैं. So आपके कौन से एक्शन फेवरेट हीरो थे जिनको while you were shooting Yudra, you went on with that, I'm gonna be that killing machine, ऐसा कोई थे बॉलीवुड से, हॉलीवुड से, जो आपने तभी उस टाइम पे याद किया?
देखिए, मेरे लिए एक्शन हमेशा ड्रामा से रूट होता है. एक्शन कभी भी मेरे लिए वो नहीं रहा है मज़ेदार जिसमें बस लोगों को मार रहे हैं. उसके पीछे एक पर्पस होना चाहिए, उसके पीछे कुछ एक हर्ट होना चाहिए, उसके पीछे कोई कहानी होनी चाहिए. और आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट एक्शन हीरो we've ever had, as the documentary sir has produced, is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. जब मैं दीवार देखता था बचपन में, तब मुझे लगता था यार ये एक्शन फिल्म है, लेकिन अगर आप देखेंगे ध्यान से तो उसमें सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन, लेकिन हर एक सीन ऐसा होता है जैसे लगता है कि यार अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ होगा. जैसा कि जाव साहब ने भी कहा था, मैं उनके काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज़ भी देख रहा था कि काफ़ी कैरिकेचरिश हो चुका है वो एक्शन का जो एक इमेज है एंग्री यंग मैन का, क्योंकि सब ने वहाँ से उठा के उसको कैरिकेचर कर लिया. बेमतलब में लोगों को मार रहे हैं, बेमतलब में चीज़ें हो रही हैं, just for the to get the eyeballs, just for the effect. But in this film there is a lot of depth, and that's what I connected to. अगर मुझे ऐसी ही एक्शन फिल्म होती जिसमें मुझे बस स्टंट्स करने हैं या उछल कूद के मारना है या लोगों को मारना है और बस एक सिक्स पैक दिखा के हीरोइक, मेरे लिए वो मज़ेदार नहीं होता है कभी भी। हमेशा मेरे लिए वो एक इंटेंसिटी, एक एंग्स्ट, एक कहीं ना कहीं से जो होता है ना, वो एक आग होनी चाहिए अंदर, और भले अगर वो मारे भी नहीं। और जैसे कि बच्चन साहब का हमेशा आंखों में होता था, वो आंखों से फाइट करते थे, और लात तो बाद में, लंबी लात भी है तो लात तो बाद में लगती थी, लेकिन उनकी आंखों से जो गोलियां लगती थी वो कुछ अलग ही थी। सो मेरे लिए वो सबसे आई थिंक सुप्रीम एक्शन हीरो हैं।
हेलो हेलो, इधर
There on
Hello,
the
hello.
right. Thank you.
अरे कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। मैं दीपेश पांडे, दैनिक जागरण से। मेरा सवाल रवि सर से रहेगा। सुनने में आया फिल्म के कुछ हिस्से रिशूट भी किए गए एक्शन के बढ़ते स्तर को देखते हुए, तो कितने हिस्से, क्या कुछ और एक्शन में ऐड ऑन करना पड़ा आपको, क्या चीज़ें रिशूट करनी पड़ी, और एक्शन में क्या कुछ नया लाने की चैलेंजेस रहे आपके लिए?
क्योंकि हम पैंडमिक में शूट कर रहे थे तो आसान नहीं होता है, बिकॉज इट्स नेवर इजी टू पुट people together and shooting an action, especially in those time. तो हमने काफ़ी scenes shoot किए थे, और as we got on to tail end of the film, because हमको break भी लेना पड़ रहा था shoot के दौरान, because few locations were not available, so we are going through those moments. But हमारा last schedule था reshoot तो नहीं हुआ है। बेसिकली कुछ सीन्स थे जो हमने रखे हुए थे, we'll do it later because we'll know how it shaping up, and जैसे बन रहा था रितेश सर ने हमेशा कहा कि just do what you have in mind, so don't just don't hold back. So वो एक हमेशा वो एक एजेंडा रहा था। So yeah, we had certain ideas and we thought, okay, maybe we went back and we shot those things.
Yeah, so I think it's not जो आप बोल रहे हो, because during the pandemic, if you remember, एक restriction हुआ करता था कि you can only shoot with certain number of people, and I think जब हमने पूरी फिल्म को edit पे देखा, by that time Sid had already moved on to some other film, का look change हो गया था, so we had to wait for that. And I think जो action के जैसे अगर एक set piece action होता है तो it's easy कि it's just a set piece action and ये हो गया, but because there's a narrative in the action, there's a very strong emotional story which you आपको ट्रेलर में अब उसका एक झलक लगा होगा कि भाई सेज के जो आपका जो काम आपके बाप ने कंप्लीट कर पाया आपको करना होगा। Within that you had to complete that emotion. So for that, in the climax, which we all felt after seeing the edit, that you needed some more to create the emotion to be complete. So that is the reason that we had to wait and do it. So it's not that हमने फिल्म देखने के बाद एक action sequence add कर लो, there was nothing like that.
राघव, आपके लिए कोरियोग्राफी एक्शन में कितना काम आती है?
बहुत काम आती है।
बस
मतलब उनका जवाब आपको मिल गया।
नहीं, उनको बता। So basically every situation में when he walk in, he had his own energy. तो हम उसको रोकते नहीं थे, हम उसको बोलते थे
वो दरअसल क्या होता है, it is if action is choreographed well and performed well, it is art. मैं मानता हूँ, और वो मैं शुरू से because I'm so aware of my body because of dancing and performing arts since childhood, तो मुझे वो बड़ा मज़ा आता है करने में, और वो बहुत ही एक चाइल्ड लाइक सा है एक्शन, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। और मैं जिस तरह का मेरा कैरेक्टर है इसमें, तो अगर मुझे यहाँ मुक्का मारना तो कभी कभी यहाँ पर भी पड़ जाता था तो वो ऐसा है, बट या मज़ा बहुत आता है मुझे एक्शन करने में, स्पेशली युद्रा में ना एक्शन इज़ वेरी स्टाइलाइज, और बहुत मुझे हीरो जैसी फीलिंग आ रही थी यार, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया शूट करने में भी, सर के साथ भी हमने बहुत मज़े लिए, पोर्चुगल गए, विलायत जाने का मौका दिया सर तो वो एक बहुत मज़ा आता है, और थोड़ा काम आता है आपका डांसिंग बैकग्राउंड।
सिद्धांत, इसमें महाभारत के कैरेक्टर अर्जुन और अभिमन्यु की बात हुई है, अगर आपसे जानना चाहूँ तो आप महाभारत के किस कैरेक्टर से खुद को जोड़ पाएंगे?
वाह, इतने सारे किरदार हैं महाभारत में वैसे, लेकिन मैं अगर सच में सोचूं तो हमेशा एक ही किरदार जिससे मैं जुड़ पाया, मतलब जिससे मैं रिलेट कर पाया हूँ, वो कर्ण था। और पता नहीं क्यों हमेशा से जब भी मेरे दादाजी सुनाया करते थे वो कहानियाँ, तो कर्ण था और एक अर्जुन था, दो थे सबसे ज़्यादा। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ा हुआ और जैसे जैसे मैंने ज़िंदगी देखी, ज़िंदगी का थोड़ा तजुर्बा हुआ, तब ज़्यादा खिंचाव मेरा कर्ण की तरफ ज़्यादा हुआ। तो
So Shweta from TV9. My question is to Siddhant.
Hi, hi Shweta, hi.
Hi. And first of all, congratulations युद्रा के लिए. ट्रेलर
अच्छा
बहुत
लगा?
ही अच्छा है, बहुत
शुक्रिया।
प्यारा है. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आपको क्या मोटिवेट, क्या इंस्पायर किया युद्रा जैसे लाइक मूवी करने के लिए? बिकॉज इसके पहले आपने खो गए, हम कहा इसमें किया है, फिर गहराइया. सो व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू फॉर डूइंग दिस मूवी?
एक्चुअली सच बताऊं तो ये पहली फिल्म थी जो मैंने साइन की थी गली बॉय के पास, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा. और व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड मी वाज द पीपल हु आई ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू, जिनके साथ मुझे हमेशा काम करना था. फरहान सर, उन्होंने स्क्रीन प्ले, स्टोरी, डायलॉग्स. श्रीधर सर, रितेश सर, रवि सर. और इससे ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग सेटअप, क्योंकि जब एक कहानी एक्सेल जब भी कोई कहानी बनाता है वो सिर्फ बनाने के लिए नहीं बनाता. कहानी आई थिंक इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग विच इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड आउट ऑफ एक्सेल. सो द स्टोरी इज़ वॉट एक्चुअली आई कनेक्टेड टू. द स्टोरी is what I really loved, and I wanted to do it, and the people who are making it, and to just, I think I got lucky with that I got such a big film, and especially right after Gully Boy, just one film old, that too not the lead guy, supporting actor in that, and to just mount such a big film. I think it's Ritesh sir and Farhan sir who actually had shown faith in me. ये मतलब मेरा से कहूँगा, अगर इतनी बड़ी फिल्म कोई आपके पास लेके आता है तो मतलब ये तो मेरा सौभाग्य है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो I'm lucky to be able to do what I always love to do.
Yeah, right.
Thank you. Here, this side. Ravi ji.
Hi.
Hi. Supriya from PTI here.
Hi, Supriya.
We have seen and loved your work in Mom. So what takes you such a long time to come with this film? I mean, such a long time.
To me, it's not a long time. Sometimes few things take, like you have to do it right. And I'm an artist, I paint. So to me, every, project that you work in, it has its own depth to it. Like even answering to that question, like what happens when you go through it, if you see, it's a coming of age story of this kid who has anger issue. And coming of age is not difficult. If you see, as a young cadet, he looks like a baby, it's like a boy. So we had to break so that he could put on weight. So towards the end, so the entire graph, the way it comes out, it took time for us to design it. And, while making it, and because it's even sound and everything, we had to put it all together. In terms of action, we had done a previs even before we got in. So we had designed each and every scene and the aspect of how, because each action has its own, it's very bare and raw action. There's no cheating. And what we did, we kept it very real and raw. And when you see the film, you can feel the pain. It was important for me to achieve that. And yeah, so all of them, anger also came from many takes and retakes, and they were really angry. So yeah, it was that. So you have to feel that pain to achieve that emotion, because even that action to me, it's part of the emotion and it's part of performance. There's no shortcut to it. So yeah, so that's how it happened, and it took time, and through the pandemic, like how Ritesh sir said. So it's tough.
Hello, this is Siraj from filmfestivals.com.
I have a few more questions.
The question
I'm
is
sorry, Siraj Sahab, actually this conversation is not yet over. If you could give us a minute to complete.
Oh, I thought it's over.
Not
I'm
at
so
all.
sorry.
No,
I
yes.
took long.
Thanks.
So so like I said, few films, प्यार से जिसको बनाना पड़ता है धीमी आंच में. That's how I would say it. So yeah, I think we made it well, and they had a vision, so they trusted my vision. So I had to deliver. So I'm like, yeah, we'll do it, right? And that's how Excel. That's one of the reasons I'm, really lucky to have my producers watching my back saying, no, are you happy? I'm like, yeah, we're getting there. And yeah, it took time. Yeah.
अभी मैं वैसे एक बात कहना चाहूँगा. अभी इतना कॉर्पोरेट सिस्टम हो गया ना फिल्म्स का भी, कि 2 महीने में 4 महीने में रेडी करके दो डेडलाइंस. तो पहले तो मुगले आजम बनती थी ना, तो कोई सवाल नहीं करता था. अभी ये फिल्म जो जमा टिका के हमने बनाई है और स्टाइलाइज्ड वे से बनाई है, इसको कुछ चीज़ों को, कुछ बेमिसाल चीज़ों को वक्त लगता है, और ये उनमें से एक है. So I think yes.
Thank you.
Siraj Sahab, sorry, I'm going to go back to Siraj Sahab because he still has a mic.
Thank you
Shukriya
very
sir,
much.
बोलिए ना.
Hi.
Oh,
two
ma'am, I'm
questions.
so
One
sorry.
to-
Now we have to move on. Thank you.
One to Ritesh and Ravi together. When you're doing an action film and with so much of technology at your disposal, a lot of VFX, you can create those without real acting and without real actors. So it must be a tough decision of how much to really do on the computer and how much to do with the actors and with the risks involved. So how do you tackle this aspect of action?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I think when you're talking about VFX involved in action, yes, there are a lot of possibilities and it's constantly evolving, and it's not evolving, it's evolving actually literally every 2 or 3 months, right? But in this film, most of it, what you see, is done by the actors or stuntmen, but there's a restriction. The minute you go into of shooting it in a certain way, when you want to go to a close-up or when you see him up doing a certain action, you can't cheat that. You'll have to somehow work out using real characters. What does help is that when you do these face replacements and all that, but those are not done in this film. So if you're talking particularly about this, of course, it does make it easier. Safety-wise, you have to be safe because it doesn't matter whether it's the actor or the stuntman. You have to be responsible and have your safety measures in place, irrespective of who's performing that. Unless it's a completely 3D created character, then it's different. But in this film, there's nothing like that. So most of the action you see is being done by the actors sitting here, or it's been done by the stunt doubles on wherever, obviously you don't want to put the actor at that risk, but the stunt guy is capable of doing that stunt. So I think that's the difference. But you're right, there is a lot of change, but it's not only, I think it's restricted to a certain level also, and it doesn't give you that much of freedom of creating what you want with real life action.
I also feel too much tech takes away the emotion. I feel, especially when you're doing action, if you don't feel it, when somebody hits, like physically, when there's a physical contact, you cannot replicate. You can, it takes time, you spend a lot of money, you might as well do it. If you understand the craft of it, it's very easy to cheat, and you can't catch me like in the VFX part of it. So you create everything, you do maximum real stuff, but few things like Ritesh was saying, you cannot achieve, but you try and achieve through that, but it's kind of hidden and camouflaged. So you have to use that to your advantage. And you have to be smart while making it. Otherwise, you'll be spending, VFX is not an easy thing to do, yeah.
So, Ravi, you have to be smart by not calling me sir again.
I was just going to flag
Suddenly
that.
you started calling me sir.
Why does he have the permission to do that?
There's no permission, but I'm just wondering why.
Now, a question to the person who's not yet faced a question. A villain with a very long beard.
Yeah.
So, इस फिल्म में आपका किरदार किस उम्र का है और आप असल में अपनी असली उम्र से उस उम्र तक ढलने में कैसे पहुँचे?
सर, आप सबके सामने मेरी असल उम्र जानना चाह रहे हैं। मैं 50 का करीब का हूँ सर, और 55 के आसपास का वो आदमी है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ 50 का होने के बाद 30 का फील करता हूँ, वो 50 का होने के बाद 55 का होने के बाद 65 का फील करता था। और मेरे ख्याल से मैं और भी कुछ पूछना चाह रहे थे आप इसके अलावा? बस
नहीं सर, इनका एक और सर का मुझे बताना है, इन्होंने for about 6 months, that's what the commitment's all about. Like, I really respect, I'm really lucky that I had great stars, like I have great actors in my film. Raj sir, for 6 months, didn't do anything because I had asked him to grow his beard because I said, I don't want to use, like, I hate wigs. I said, do you mind? He said, I love this character, and we had a really interesting conversation about it, saying, I'm going to grow my beard, and he walked in with that for 6 months, didn't do anything, and we styled him, and after that, again, till we finished, he was holding on to that. I think that's a commitment, especially in today's time, and I really thank you, Raj sir, for just giving it all, and I really appreciate that.
I'm honored, sir. It's a pleasure that I'm a part of this film. Thank you very much.
Siddhant, I have one more question for you.
Yes.
You know,
sorry to keep you waiting.
No worries. This film established you as a solo hero. So how challenging was the wait for the release, because it's been very long for you as well?
How challenging was the wait? I think I did a couple of films in between. For me, I just love being in front of the camera. Um, I want to just go out and act. And the process obviously takes long. And when I wanted to be an actor, I knew कि काम मिलने से पहले भी बहुत इंतज़ार है, काम मिलने के बाद भी बहुत इंतज़ार होगा. और बस आई वाज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि आई नो, मुझे पता था कि ये बहुत कुछ अलग बना रहे हैं हम. We're making something very big. We're making something very special. So I didn't mind the wait, to be honest. I never went restless about it, but I was very curious about how it's happening. Because being part of such a big film, I was constantly calling Ravi sir or Ritesh sir ki, okay, what are we doing with that? I just wanted to know the process of an action film, how it's made. But the sound design is going to be very, Pranav, if he's here, he's done a great job. When you see the film in the theater, it's path-breaking in sound design. You'll feel each and every little dust particle also falling on the ground. So I've been a part of this process, so I almost feel like I was part of the team. I became an intern to Ravi sir. We were constantly sharing ideas with Ritesh sir for the poster, for everything. So for me, it's been a very, it's almost like a film school, after the wait. And it's beautiful, I think. I learned so much waiting for this film, actually.
Lastly, I want to ask for everyone, you all are part of Indian cinema now, and Hema Committee report is out, so I would like to know your reaction or your...
I'm so sorry, this is not a question that we're going to give an answer to today. This is about a film, and I'm really sorry, it doesn't allow me to, go there at this point. Thank you.
Hi. Hi, my name is Nishad and I'm from News 18. My question is to Malvika. Malvika, first of all, congratulations on Tangalan. Hello. The movie is amazing as well down south, and we'll see you in a different avatar as well soon in Hindi as well. I just want to know that we see you in a very different shape as Aarti, and over here you're in a completely different avatar. And you're very angry there, and you said there is one very angry scene over here. So how much of Malvika is there in real in both the movies?
Hi, it's good to see you so quickly, so soon again, I must say. Yeah, thank you for all your kind words about Tangalan. The film just crossed 100 crores, and the North release is still pending. It's only had a South Indian release and across all the South states and worldwide. But the Mumbai release will be out soon, and it's already crossed 100, so we're very happy about that.
I hope it's not releasing on the 20th of September.
It's not.
Oh. Okay.
But यही होता है, हम इतने सारी फिल्में करते हैं, and then you wait, you're waiting for the release period, and then everything releases together. So, but it's a great problem to have. It's two very different films, like you rightfully said, and two very different roles. I feel something I've been actively trying to do, and I say try because as actors, we're also choosing, we're also picking from the opportunities that are coming our way, right? So to get certain kind of films, when you're looking for specific kind of roles, like it's just timing. But I've been trying to be more versatile with the kind of films, with the kind of roles I've been picking, instead of getting boxed into like a certain category, which happens very often to female actors. Aarti was we bring so much of ourselves to every role we play. If I play, so Aarti, just to give the ones who don't know context, is the character I played in my previous film. If somebody else had played the character, it would have been very different, obviously. So I think I channeled into different parts of me for that role. And it was very nice to, it's a complete contrast to what I did, Nikhat in Yudhra, because she's soft, she's tough also, but there's this feminine softness about her, which was nice to bring to life, to bring to the film. It was an element that the film, there aren't many women in the film, as you could tell from the trailer. So it was nice to be that, to bring the delicate emotions, the nuanced love to the forefront. So that was nice, to do something that's completely different. That was good.
Thank you so much, Nishad. I hope that that was good for you. And with that lovely question, we'd like to call a close to this wonderful Q&A. Thank you so much for your patience, guys. You've been here for a while. Yes, there will be photos. But before that, I would like to present to you once again the wonderful makers and the cast of Yudra. Give them a round of applause. सीटियां, तालियां, जो भी आप कर सकते हैं. बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
Where's Rupin and Pranav, Saurabh? Come down, guys.
Can I please also at this point request
Vishal,
Kasim Jagmagia and Vishal Ramchandani, co-producers Excel Entertainment, to join us on the stage. Kasim and Vishal, would you join us as well, please? Thank you. And this is how we'll do this. We'll do a giant group photo first, okay? So giant group photo, everybody huddles, everybody smiles into camera.